Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito po ay para sa mga water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates ha, kasi hindi talaga natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, hindi ka nakaka-resonate sa mga sinasabi ko, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa or kung gusto mo, check mo yung pinaka-channel natin. Ayan, yung ibang videos dyan, maaaring yun na mag-resonate sa'yo. Okay, love reading to guys. Let's start the reading. Pwede magkapalit-palit ng roles, depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. What do we have here? Messages for water sign, please. For water sign. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig for water sign, please. Kunin natin yung main energy mo. Ten of Wands, followed by the Queen of Wands. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito, might be you are busy. Iba sa inyo marami kang ginagawa. You are someone na, maybe workaholic or kung hindi man, you're just busy. And some of you, pwede may mga changes kang gustong gawain sa buhay mo. Whether physically, sa itsura mo, or whether ito ay may kinalaman sa iyong home, sa tahanan, sa workplace mo, sa career, pwede ganun. But I can see changes na gusto mong gawain dito. And, sino tong person na connect mo pagdating sa love? Person na connect mo pagdating sa love. Okay, person na connect mo is the Queen of Coins, followed by the Three of Coins. Pareho kayo ng energy nito eh. Ng person na to, you could be dealing with someone who is also workaholic, someone na, thinking something about money, parang gusto niyang mabago or maayos ang kanyang situation regarding pera. And nakakita tayo dito ng mga actions or mga desisyon na ginagawa niya regarding dito or napapag-isipan pa lang. It could be like a friend or I can see a lot of mother figure. So some of you, maybe you are friends or yung magulang ninyo are friends or itong person na to is friend siya or malapit siya sa iyong magulang, especially your mother and or vice versa. So I can see mother figure dito. Take only what resonates. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa ng person nito. You do always stab in the back and the Cupid's arrow. Okay, emotion mo for this person, nakikita natin as you are having hesitations. Nag-hesitate ka or nag-aalangan ka. Pwedeng kasi you do love this person pero nasasaktan ka or maybe some kind of separation ang nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. But nakikita natin that you are focusing on, paano aayusin ang sarili mo. Kind of thing. I feel like you are really attracted dito sa person na to. Attracted ka sa kanya because kung paano niya dalhin yung sarili niya. And like you are stuck dito sa kung paano ka noon pa man. Parang ganun. And then yung person na ito, maybe nakita mo yung mga growth niya, yung paano siya nag-evolve as a person and maybe hinahangaan mo yung part na yun. Some of you are hurting kasi hindi ka nagiging honest sa emotions mo or sa sarili mo sa person. With regards sa person na to, kung anong isip mo sa kanya. Ang person na to is, you do have your heart break and love call. Feeling niya I feel like feeling niya nasasaktan ka. or feeling niya you're sad, feeling niya, ito yung parang nakukuha niya na feeling mo, parang ganun. And then maybe because feeling ninyo pareho, or maybe because sa situation ninyo pareho, might be there's no second chances. So parang ang daming transformation na nangyari na sa connection ninyo, sa situation ninyo, and the feeling niya nasasaktan ka dun sa nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. And how about siya? Ano yung emotions niya sa'yo? Kasi nakita natin kung ano yung tingin niya sa emotion mo. Clock is here. So, you could be dealing with the twin flame. Sa inyong dalawa nakikita natin, you do have your the runner. You could be dealing with the runner. And you do have your photograph. So, might be you're dealing with someone who is focusing on his or her own. And then a photograph is looking at is, for me, it's pictures. So, depende sa kung ano yung nakita mo sa last pictures niya in the past. Okay? Kung ano yung mga dating pinagdaanan niya. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So, nakikita natin dito with the photograph. Maybe something to do with your photos, or something to do with pictures niya. So, I don't know, maybe there's a certain picture na nakita mo tungkol dito sa person na to. Tapos yun yung pinagkakabalahan or pinagkakabisihan niya ngayon. So, ayun. For example, ang huling post niya or huling picture na nakita mo sa kanya is may kinalaman sa bahay, may kinalaman sa workplace niya. So, yun yung pinagkakabala ng person nito. But if kung sarili niya or picture niya lang, so might be nagpo-focus siya sa sarili niya, so kung paano may improve itong sarili na to. In a way, parang nagiging sa connection niyo siya yung runner, because this person is, parang I get this feeling of being indecisive. So, I don't know, ikaw ba tong indecisive? Siya ba tong indecisive? But, I can see a person who is walking away or running away from the connection kasi nagpo-focus siya doon sa bagay na yan, na may kinalaman sa pictures niya. And just, tignan mo na lang yung huling picture niya. So, what will happen in the future sa inyo dalawa? In the near future for water sign, please, for water sign. You do have your 9 of Cups, 2 of Wands, and King of Pentacles. The Fool, the Devil, dalawang major arcana, 3 of Swords, and the Page of Coins. Well, I'm saying like in the future, you have a lot of choices. Nakikita natin with the King of Coins that you will be someone na you will be more stable. And the 2 of Wands, nakakita tayo dito ng plano na gagawin mo with regards to yourself, with regards to your choices. And nasa sa'yo yan, kung anong gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Magiging mas stable ka in the future, but of course, what is this thing that would make you happy? Diba? Maaaring you need to do something about that. Kung ano yung bagay na kailangan mong gawin para mas lalo kang maging masaya. So, I can see something doon. Pagdating sa person na to with the Fool, I can see a new beginning sa kanya with the Devil. I feel like your person is, sa mga decision niya sa buhay, nakakakita tayo ng mga taong pwedeng masaktan doon. But I feel like yung person wala akong pakialam. For now, I need to do what I need to do. Na pwedeng ako naman na magbe-benefit dito. I can see a person who is, making some kind of risk wherein may mga masasaktan, but or may mga magagalit, pero yung person mo, I don't care anymore. This is what I need to do kasi I need to, magdidesisyon ako or gagawa ko ng action sa according para sa akin na tingin kong ito dapat. Kasi hindi naman laging dapat kayo or itong mga taong to ang iniisip ko, kailangan isipin ko rin ang sarili ko. So, some kind of decision na maaaring gawin itong person na to in the future para sa sarili niya. And maybe may mga masasaktang tao. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.